Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for financial analysis and reports. So we will start with creating basically the whole project here so that we will have everything organized and that we have then after we create this financial analyze and reports project, everything will be faster, much efficient, and yeah. So let's get straight into it. Now let's prepare it. So let's go here to the project at the left menu, and now set create new project here at the top, and let's name the uh, project. So I will put everything as I mentioned before. Create project. Now we have. All right. Now what we will do is we will add documents. So right here under files on the right side, upload from device, and I will put in some what I have here for financial, like that. Wait a few moments that everything loads up. Now between that, what we can also do, we can add some instruction to this project. So let's make it something out of it. So instruction here, click on this plus icon, and right here you can put in uh, instruction and information for chats within financial within your project, and this will work alongside your profile instruction and the selected style in chart. So let's copy something into it. So Claude AI to automate financial analysis and generate reports by feeding in structured data like financial statements and so on. Then save instructions. Okay, so now we are almost ready. So we just need to wait that these files are uh, uploaded, and then we will start with here with these chats. So let's wait now for these files. All right, so now we can start. Let's start with uh, just a simple horizontal and vertical analyze. So I will put right here this text. Now I hope that we have enough data to get this revenue from 2024 and 2025. And yeah, let's hit start. In while we wait here, we can go back to our project and also start financial ratio calculation. And yeah, we will start in a new um, chat. This will focus on liquidity, profitability, and solvency metrics. Um, I will do separately because then it's everything more organized. So we will have here, let's see if it's done. Not yet. Now we will wait for a bit. We don't want to buffer this thing out. So what else will be next? We will be doing next trend and variance analysis. So let's copy this one for now here. So this will compare actual financial outcomes against budgets or forecasts. Well, let's start this one too. And now we will really wait. So we have this trend and variance analysis, and then we have here income statement. Okay, now to organize everything, as I mentioned, we can rename everyone right here. So I put here the horizontal and vertical analyze. So I will just change the names here Then we have financial ratio calculation. So this is this one right here. And then we have trend variance analyze is this one right over here. All right, now let's check every one of them. So as you can see here, we got some data which are in these files, which we put right here in this file area right over here. Then we have trend. Also, we have some information here. Now, what we are going to do, this was analyzed, and yeah, now we need to create our reports. So let's start with executive summary. So I will put right in this one right here. Now let's wait a few moments. We can rename it already, so let's do it. Rename it. This is for organization purposes. Then also what we can do, as you have used to now, we can do another one. So this will be investment memo components. Um, so act as senior quality research analyst based on the attack error and so on, and click send. All right, let's rename it. So copy this file like so, hit enter like that. And we have now also the some reports right here. Obviously we need to wait a few moments still, but yeah, this is how you can create yourself a financial analyze and reports here in Claude AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.